children that went to these schools, including people from my own family, they spent more than half the day actually working to maintain the schools. They didn't actually get very much education at all. We're stopping by these birch trees because they are a medicine. So the sap is a cleansing medicine, maple too, which is probably more well known. But also you can see that it's got this paper. So it kind of comes off. And so people would harvest that at a certain time of year, and then people would actually do, they would fold it and do bitings. So it's called birch bark bitings, and it's beautiful art.
We always think about Indigenous peoples as a past-oriented people, which is of course completely not true. And you can look at this story of colonialism as a story of victimhood, but I don't think that's the way that you should look at it. You should look at it as a story of survivance, of Indigenous adaptation to emerging realities and resilience.